Hi, and welcome back, my friends, to Meyer Woodworking on YouTube. Thanks for checking back in for the next installment of the workshop overhaul. But unfortunately, the week was overly busy, and I just didn't get as far as I wanted to. Okay, but I still thought I would give you an update on where we were at. And so what I'm going to do this week is push to get the drywall all mudded up and painted. I did make a decision to do semi-white on the walls and a flat white ceiling paint as normal. Then after painting, we'll be hanging the new shop lights. As I stated in an earlier video, I chose the Barina LED shop lights. As you see here, I got them from Amazon. They were a 10-pack of 4-foot lights that give out 5,000 K, which if you are interested in them, you can click the link in the description below to take a closer look at, or if interested, order them for your shop. These should brighten my shop up magnificently, but I hope I don't follow the light because I have a lot to do here yet in the shop. Oh well. I put a link in for these. These are the cable concealers that I also bought in case you don't like dangling wires or anything like that showing. It'll kind of clean it up a bit. Another decision I made was not to do the epoxy floor. I am going to put down a plastic dimple subfloor. It's called DMX, and as you see here, that's got some foam and insulation in it and stuff like that that's just like an 1/8 inch or something like that off the floor, causes airflow to be able to go underneath, keep the moisture down, and put OSB over the top. The reason I did that, because just in case I would, but I know I do, drop a tool, especially a hand tool like a chisel or a plane, I think it's going to be better that it hit wood and not concrete that looks pretty under epoxy. So that was my decision on that. There's a plain version that doesn't have any vapor barrier, which then I'd have to lay down like felt and then put the OSB over the top. That'll also stop a little of the clicking or anything like that if there is underneath onto the concrete. One or the other, I still haven't made up my mind, but I am using the dimple and I am putting the OSB over the top. So if you want to see this, again, just link down below. You can go right to the website and look them both up. I'm going to get ours at our local Menards here in Wisconsin, so I don't know, it's probably at Lowe's and Home Depots too, if you're interested. Again, I want to thank you for stopping by, and if you would, hit the subscribe button. And if you really were interested in this, or this made any sense to you, or you want to see more, also hit the like button so I know this is the kind of video you want to see. And if you want, you can also click my previous video. Keep coming back, because there's more to come.